Ever notice how you call yourself ambitious, but your daily habits look like you re-auditioning for the role of couch decoration? You keep telling everyone you're destined for success, but the only thing you're consistent at is scrolling, daydreaming, and convincing yourself that you work better under pressure. No, you don't. You just wait until the last minute like a confused extra in a movie hoping the director suddenly gives you a main character script. Newsflash, nobody's coming to save you. No mentor, no miracle, no magical burst of motivation is going to drag you out of your comfort coffin. If you're lazy but ambitious, understand this. Ambition without action is just delusion wearing a fake crown. You talk like a future legend, but you operate like a background character that gets cut from the final edit. And the worst part, you know it? You fantasize about your successful future, like it as a Netflix show you re-binge watching with snacks, except you forgot the part where you actually have to earn it. You've built an entire imaginary empire in your head. Luxury lifestyle, dream university, millionaire mindset. I'll prove everyone wrong. Speeches. But in reality, you can't even prove to yourself that you can study for 20 minutes without getting distracted by a notification ding. You say you want to be exceptional, but your effort is so minimal it should be studied scientifically. You want top-tier results with bottom-tier discipline. That's not ambition. That's entitlement in cosplay. And deep down, you know you're capable of so much more, but you keep betraying yourself in silence. Let's address all your alter ego lazy identities since you switch them like outfits. You, the smart but lazy one, congratulating yourself for potential while doing nothing with it. Like a sports car with no fuel parked in a garage bragging about horsepower. You, the phone-addicted zombie, doom-scrolling like your thumb is training for a marathon. Eyes glazed, brain fried, devouring endless content but retaining nothing except memes and random useless facts. You, the future millionaire daydreamer, obsessed with success content, motivation videos and hustle quotes, yet somehow allergic to actually starting. You don't need more inspiration. You need a reality check signed with your own effort. And then there's you, the I work better under pressure jester, the same clown who cries, panics, loses sleep, burns out, and then pretends that chaos was part of the plan. If your system leaves you mentally dehydrated with academic stress and zero dignity, it's not a system, it's self-sabotage with fancy labeling. Here's the truth you keep running from. Your comfort is your enemy. Comfort is the silent villain stealing your potential inch by inch while convincing you everything is fine. It's not fine. You're not tired. You're undisciplined. You're not different. You're inconsistent. You're not waiting for the right moment. You're scared to start because deep down, starting means facing the possibility of failure. So you hide behind procrastination because it's easier to say, I didn't try than to try and not be as amazing as you pretend to be in your head. That false safety is ruining you. Read that again. The version of you that gets everything you want? They're not born from comfort. They're forged in self-respect, discipline, and doing what needs to be done even when every cell in your body wants to do nothing. You don't need a 5-hour study session. You need to stop negotiating with your excuses. Sit down, start, and let momentum do the rest. Villains don't wait for motivation. They move with intention. Stop being loyal to the weak version of you. That version is draining your future. It's time to let that identity die. From this moment on, adopt this rule. If you say you want something, your actions must echo it. If not, be honest and admit you don't actually want it. You just like the idea of wanting it. Harsh? Yes. Necessary? Absolutely. Because greatness is not built on convenience. It's built on self-control, sacrifice, and doing the boring, unglamorous work that nobody claps for. Start now, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is the graveyard of your potential, and you've buried enough versions of yourself there already. This is your villain origin story, not the kind where you become cold to others, but the kind where you become ruthless about your growth, cold to your excuses, unavailable to your comfort, allergic to your own laziness. If you felt attacked, good. That means the soft part of you that's been running the show just got exposed. And if you're still watching right now, it means a stronger version of you is waking up, the version that's tired of being average, tired of being all talk, tired of wasting potential like it grows on trees. That version of you knows this truth. Self-discipline is the real superpower. Develop it and life bends. Ignore it and life breaks you. So here's your next move, and listen carefully. No excuses, no delays. You're going to break the cycle today. Not someday, not later, not when you feel like it. Today, you want to go from lazy to unstoppable, then prove it. Not to me, to yourself. Here's the challenge that separates the talkers from the doers. Right after this video, you're going to study for just 20 minutes. No perfection, no aesthetic setup, number 3-hour routine. Sit down, focus, 20 minutes. If you can't do even that, then be honest and admit you don't actually want success. You just like fantasizing about it. If you felt attacked, good. That means the weaker version of you is shaking. If you're still here, it means the stronger version is waking up. The one that's tired of being average, tired of wasting potential, tired of being the almost student. That version knows the truth. Self-discipline is the real superpower. Develop it and life bends. Ignore it and life breaks you. Now, if you're serious, comment, "I'm starting today," so your brain knows this ain't just another motivational video you watched and forgot. Lock it in publicly. Then share this video with the one friend who needs this slap more than you, because if they stay lazy, they'll drag you down with them. And you don't have time to carry dead weight into your villain era. Your villain era has officially begun. Either rise or stay exactly where you are and watch someone with half your talent and none of your excuses take the life you said you wanted.